morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Today, I'm going to bring you a quick and simple dish for you to make for your weeknight dinner menu. And this is what's going to be jumping in the pot today: creamy chicken Florentine casserole. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we are going to be using. I'm using fusilli pasta, but you can use penne pasta, rotini pasta, whatever pasta you choose to use, and follow the direction on the bag or box. Parsley, minced garlic, cream cheese, minced shallot, all-purpose flour, parmesan cheese, white wine, chicken broth, olive oil. I have here diced up chicken breasts. You can use leftover chicken if you have it, but I didn't have any leftover chicken, so I sauteed up some chicken breasts and diced it up. And spinach. Now, the first thing is we're going to do is I have a large skillet here, and we're going to turn it on medium low. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now, we're going to add some olive oil to the pan. Then we're going to add the garlic. And the shallot. We're going to let them saute up for about 2 minutes or until it gets translucent. Yes, I think it's sauteed up enough. Now we're going to add the wine. We're going to let this cook for about a minute to 2 minutes and let it cook down before we move on to the next step. Everything is sauteing up in the skillet. We're going to move on to the next step. I have the chicken broth here and the flour. We're going to whisk this up together. Whisk everything up until it becomes nice and smooth. I'm adding the sauce here that I just mixed up to the pan. Now we're going to whisk everything up together until it becomes thick for about 2 to 3 minutes before we move on to the next step. Okay, now we're going to put in the cream cheese. We're going to whisk the cream cheese for about 3 minutes or until it melts into the sauce. Now it's time to add the spinach to the mixture. We're going to let it wilt up. We got to coat all the spinach into this mixture. Now the spinach has wilted up enough, and we're going to turn it off. And the next thing we do, while it's turned off, we add the chicken. Okay, now we're going to add some Parmesan cheese. And then we're going to add the pasta to the mixture. We got to coat everything over the pasta. Let's well coat everything. Now that I've mixed it up, I have a casserole dish here. And I'm going to put the mixture into this casserole. Spread everything out. And we're going to sprinkle the rest of the Parmesan cheese on top. I have my oven set to 365, and I'm going to pop this in the oven and let it bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Now we're going to put on the parsley. This is for presentation. This is optional. Here you have it, Creamy Chicken Florentine Casserole. Enjoy. Another quick and easy weeknight dish. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.